Okay, I'm gonna do this video because I'm all about doing random videos, but I want to keep it for my records too. I am 5 days post-op, having my second breast surgery, which is the name of my video is going to be Implants Don't Last Forever. Basically, I had my implants since 2002. I was 17 years old, and like every YouTuber, I'm going to say I'm not wearing any makeup, so sorry, but basically, I went to the best plastic surgeon in my province. I'm in Canada, and I was under the impression, especially at 17, that implants last a long time. Come to find out that they don't, especially when you have them young. You have kids, you get pregnant, you breastfeed, your body undergoes a lot of changes. So I was starting to get concerned after having babies and breastfeeding and gaining weight and losing weight that that my implants might not be where they should be, or where, I don't know. I basically just didn't know what to do. I'm like, okay, I'm 30 now, like maybe it's time I get them looked at. So I went for a consultation. And also after babies, even with implants, your boobs and nipples face down. Natural, I feel like it was mostly breastfeeding. Baby, you know, is under your boob, and the nipple, like the baby's not nursing up here, the baby's nursing, you know, there. So I went to a consultation with with a plastic surgeon. I've since moved provinces like a long time ago, but this is, like I said, 13 years ago, when I had my boobs originally done. And he said, I definitely need a lift. And he said, probably like the implants might be fine. Implants do not last forever. They definitely deteriorate. They definitely can change shapes. Mine were silicone. You might have heard that silicone can't leak. Well, they can. Not like saline can, but they can leak, they can tear. And it was a concern because I think if I was older, like if I was in my 50s, I'd take the risk a little more. But the fact that is I'm 30 and I don't want to be living with potentially destructed, or what's the word, like not perfect implants. Anyway, so time passed and I was thinking about it. I'm like, is this worth it? I'm a mom now. Do I really want to do my boobs? This is like a big undertaking. I'm 13 years older. And I sure did. And I'm, like I said, 5 days post-op. I had my surgery on Tuesday, and he showed me my implants, and they were bad. They weren't a circle anymore. They had kind of collapsed on one side and had a dent in them. And thank God they came out. Not that he was like, oh, you were, you know, you had like a lot of risk, whatever, but it was more the fact that they were not meant to be in there for that long. So I had them replaced, and I had a breast lift, which is called a mastopexy. I don't know if it would be called an augmentation, because we replaced the implants with round silicone implants. My other ones had like contorted a bit. So I wouldn't know if I would call it a mastopexy with augmentation or not, because I think my boobs are the same. But they look fantastic. I'm bruised and stuff like that, but I just wanted to put it out there because I was under the impression that implants lasted. And they do. And he did say, like, for some people they might, but not for everybody. And I feel like it's beneficial for women to know that you need to keep these bad boys up. Don't think like it's a one-time deal. Maybe your plastic surgeon didn't go over that with you. I know mine didn't, but at 17 years old, the last thing I cared about was like health things. I just wanted big, sexy boobs. But I'll pan down a little bit, although I'm wearing the compression bra that I need to wear for 3 to 4 weeks. And yeah, I'll just pan down a little bit. So not that you could like see anything crazy, but they look super fantastic, super pointy, super up high, nipples facing forward. really, really nice. You can see I actually picked off tape and I got a really bad blister there, but they look super fantastic and high, and I know that's swelling second time around, so I'm kind of a pro, I think. But definitely needed. But if you have implants or got them, you know, at a young age or a long time ago or whatever, it's not a bad thing just to see and talk to a plastic surgeon about their opinions and stuff, because it's not like my plastic surgeon that did it 13 years ago called me and was like, you might want to get those checked on, you might want to, you know, see how they're doing. It was more me like seeing the shape go from something to something else and figuring it's probably time to check on them. So, and I'm really happy I did. And now with replacing my implants, I essentially restarted the clock of my implants. I got my extensions out yesterday, so don't look at my hair, everything kind of in jammies, but that's my little tip. Don't neglect your implants. Keep them up. Bye guys.